The mid-2020s have arrived with a mix of economic green shoots and global curveballs. As a CEO surveying the Asia-Pacific landscape, I see plenty to toast, cautiously. Business confidence in Australia is rebounding from pandemic lows, even as uncertainty remains the corporate buzzword. In times like these, a bit of wit and perhaps a decent Barossa Valley Shiraz helps digest the complex blend of trends swirling around us. Here's my take on what's shaping our region's economy, politics, and how we convene and learn. After turbulent years, signs are finally pointing upward. The Australian Institute of Company Directors shows director sentiment climbing for the first time since 2021. Let's not break out the champagne just yet. Sentiment is still cautious, weighed down by global storm clouds. Oxford Economics forecasts moderate growth and persistent inflation for Asia-Pacific. Businesses should plan for resilience. Easing inflation in Australia supports growth, but volatility remains in supply chains and prices. The economic winds are improving, just don't throw away your umbrella. Recent elections in our region have been drama-free, and that's reassuring. In Australia, voters opted for continuity, reflecting optimism driven by easing inflation and recent interest cuts. Similarly, Singapore's ruling party secured an unexpectedly robust victory, underlining public support for economic stability and a smooth digital transformation agenda. For business, this signals clarity and steady policy landscapes, essential during uncertain times. Stability is as refreshing as a cool breeze at an outdoor strategy retreat. One clear trend across APAC corporate life is the revival of the offsite. Harvard and Stanford research shows remote work has strained meaningful connections. Approximately 70% of companies now prefer hybrid models, recognizing in-person collaboration as crucial for brainstorming, culture building, and problem solving. Offsites, whether strategic huddles or innovation workshops, offer distraction-free collaboration. At Cliftons, we see teams from Singapore, Sydney, and beyond coming together to solve problems face-to-face. Offsites are focused, purposeful get-togethers, ideal for continuing professional development, major project kickoffs, and specialized launches and learning. With skill shortages still prominent, offsite training sessions and certifications are essential for workforce development. Simply put, getting out of the office is very much in. Corporate events today require more than slideshows. Audiences demand high-quality AV setups, interactive, engaging, and glitch-free. Innovations such as live polls and AI-assisted networking also enhance participation. Top-notch AV and technology isn't a luxury, it signals respect for the attendees' time and ensures genuine engagement. Food and beverage trends have also evolved dramatically. Sustainably focused catering is the new standard. Plant-forward menus, locally sourced ingredients, and environmentally responsible practices align with corporate values. And of course, wine selection remains central. Organically produced, sustainable wines from organic wineries are becoming event highlights. The rise of craft mocktails ensures inclusivity, making events memorable for everyone. Geopolitically, businesses face a fragmenting world. Protectionism and economic shifts are driving firms to diversify supply chains and strengthen resilience. However, the Asia-Pacific region remains a growth engine with significant opportunities. Demographic shifts mean 2/3 of the global middle class will reside in APAC by 2030. This demographic boom drives demand for education, events, and innovation. Aligning event themes with strategic priorities such as ESG, AI, resilience, and cultural agility is critical. The strongest events today tackle future-focused topics, whether climate risk management or AI-driven software engineering workshops. Continuing education and human interactions are increasingly valued. Digital experiences thrive, but face-to-face interactions deliver unmatched networking opportunities and knowledge sharing. The bottom line, FY26 offers steady rebuilding and innovative growth opportunities for APAC businesses. With cautious optimism, stable governments, and corporate investment in innovation and people, now is the perfect time to gather your teams off-site, ideally at a Cliftons venue, to strategize, innovate, and reconnect. Here's to thriving together with insight, good humour, and exceptional events.